If you don't like sore muscles but still want gains, then recovery is your secret weapon. Let's talk about a fitness trend that's taking over gyms worldwide: recovery. Yep, recovery isn't just a break, it's an essential part of your fitness success. Gyms are now offering recovery-focused classes, from foam rolling to cryotherapy, even infrared saunas. Why? Because recovery helps your muscles heal, reduces injury risk, and boosts mental resilience. Imagine feeling less sore and more energized for your next workout. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the magic of prioritizing recovery. So next time you're planning your fitness routine, don't just schedule workouts. Make room for recovery sessions. Your body and mind will thank you. Remember, it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Integrate recovery into your routine and watch your progress soar. And there you have it. Recovery, the unsung hero of fitness success. Ready to give it a try? Your gains are waiting.